Hi, hello. My name is Adrian Carrillo. I am out in the kitchen, and right now you're gonna be start to make this special dish for you. This dish is very common for the breakfast. You're gonna be start to be enjoy with this dish. Is Mexican dish. Is we call it eggs zapateros. What this means is eggs is making a special way. It is usually for breakfast. It is coming from the state of the Oaxaca. One of the states is making the more best food in Mexico. So right now we're gonna be start to make it. If you like it, please give me a like. I really appreciate that. And you want to be receiving new videos each week. Subscription, and you're gonna be start to see new videos. Every Monday you're gonna be load up these videos. Thank you very much for listening to me, and we're gonna be start to enjoy too with this food is called egg zapateros. This is the way to go. What is you're gonna be making is very special for you, and I wish to be appreciate that this video, and we're gonna be start to that. Okay, the first one you're gonna be making you're gonna be making the tomatoes. You're gonna be start to cooking the tomatoes. How can we make it? Is this one you're gonna be burn a little bit the skin of the tomatoes. We need to be burned a little bit. The onion as well. For that reason I put in here a little bit, not too much, because after that I'm gonna be putting the pan. Is with the water. I'm gonna be finish cooking the tomatoes. The tomatoes is very important to be the skin. It has to be open, and when this is done, this is all ready for making the sauce for the egg zapateros. When it's ready, we have to be put the tomatoes in the blender, but you have to be waiting for the water. It had to be cold, because it's the whole water can be damage your blender, the cups of the blender. For that reason, you have to be take it all the stuff. Oops. Okay, gonna be take this one. Oops. Yeah. Okay, we take it. We wanna be put in the blender. But remember, I tell you, is the chili had to be cut the cabot. You can be put the cabot inside. So you cut the cabot is through the way to the bean, and the rest of the chili to the blender. Okay, it's very important. The water has to be leaving cold, because otherwise is you can be damaged to your blender. When the water is ready for put in the blender, you're gonna start to put in the blender a little bit, not too much, little bit, no, only a little bit. This is like half a cup or something like that. It's only for can blender then. And after that, I forgot to tell you, you have to be additional 1 spoon garlic. Very important to that. Or 1 clove of garlic. This as well. It's very good. And then you're gonna be start to blender. Okay, when it's done, it's the sauce already done. So it's just gonna be start to be put in the water. Basically, you're gonna be putting the water like this. Yeah, and it start to be heat again. The water. In the meantime, you put the sauce. And you're gonna be start to cooking as well the sauce like this. Okay, after we already heat the sauce, we're gonna be put the eggs by one. So it's slowly leaving there. It says, and then you're gonna be put 2 eggs for person. So it's very important that. For that reason, it's very important to be put each by one. So take inside where you're gonna be put the one. Okay, like this. Okay, and you're gonna leave it 8 minutes cooking. When it's cooking, then you're gonna be start to service. I'll show you how it can be served. When it's ready, it's when not ready. When it's had 4 minutes after put the eggs, you're gonna be start to put the halloumi. Halloumi is one cheese. It can be made some flavors different in the Zapateros Eggs. And when it had to be 8 minutes, we're gonna be start to service. Okay, when it's ready, you want to be start to serve it. What is going to be put? The sauce, the egg. Okay, when it's ready, you're going to be start to serve it like this. You're going to be put the 2 eggs, the soup, and 2 halloumis, beans, and you can be addition if you want to rice. If you want to, this is not proper for the dish, but I like it to be additional for making more sustain. So after this is very nicely to be tasty, and very tasty. Hi. Well, after is the Zapateros eggs is already make it. Is if you like this kind of video, please let me know. Is give me a like. Is and real appreciate for the channel. Is if you use subscription every week, you're gonna be receiving new video from my channel. Is about the original Mexican food. Is quite different about the offer many restaurants here in London. But here is now I'm going to try to show you exactly what is the real food of Mexico. It's very tasty, very good one. Is one of those dishes in the world is had to be very tasty. If you like it, this video, please let me know. Give me the comment in the boxes below, and I can be read all the comments you make it. Thank you very much. And I wish to see you next time. Hasta la vista.